Want to know how ancient Egyptians built the most incredible monuments in history? Well, grab your hard hat. We're heading 4,500 years into the past. The Great Pyramid of Giza wasn't just big, it was massive. Imagine stacking 6 football fields on top of each other. That's how tall it was. And get this, each stone block weighed as much as 2 elephants. That's right, 2 elephants. But here's the crazy part. They built it without trucks, cranes, or even wheels. Instead, they had something better. Incredible engineering skills and about 20,000 workers who knew exactly what they were doing. First, they had to get super precise. The pyramid's base is so perfectly square that it's off by less than an inch. That's like throwing a basketball from one end of a football field and hitting a quarter on the other end. To move those elephant-sized stones, they built massive ramps. Workers would drag the blocks up using ropes and lots of determination. And here's a cool trick. They'd pour water on the sand to make it firmer and easier to slide the stones. But wait, it gets better. The workers weren't slaves like many people think. They were paid with food, housing, and even health care. They lived in a special village and got to eat better than most Egyptians. About 21 cattle and 23 sheep were sacrificed every day to feed them. Want to know something mind-blowing? The pyramids were so perfectly built that they're still standing after 4,500 years. That's like if something your great, well, about 200 more greats, grandparents built was still standing today. And here's the ultimate fun fact. The Great Pyramid was the tallest building in the world for 3,800 years. That record wasn't broken until the Lincoln Cathedral was built in England in 1311. That's like holding the high score in a video game for forever. So next time someone asks you how the pyramids were built, you can tell them it wasn't aliens or magic. It was something even cooler. Human ingenuity, teamwork, and some seriously impressive ancient engineering.